Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 1 English Recitation class. Students, before starting the class, I would like to ask you all a few questions. Tell me, students, what do we call the person who comes to our house or the one who is invited to our house? Yes, that person is called the guest. Isn't it, students? Guests are the people who are invited to our house. So, students, what is the first thing which the person do when he comes to your house? Tell me, students, what is the first thing which the person do? Yes, the person either rings the bell or knocks at the door. Now, what do? You open the door and seeing the person, you allow him to enter your house, isn't it? Then what do you do, students? Yes, you greet the person saying hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and so on. Then you allow the person to sit and make himself comfortable, isn't it, students? Then the first thing which you offer the person is water, and if tea or coffee is available, you even give that to the person along with some snacks, isn't it, students? Yes. So the rhyme which we are going to study today is also about a guest who visits the poet, and the poet welcomes the person and greets him well and wishes him good morning. So today we are going to deal with rhyme number 2, Knock at the Door, from your recitation book Rhythm for All Seasons. And the rhyme is page number 1, Knock at the Door. Students, in this rhyme, there's a person who comes to the poet's house, and then the poet welcomes him and greets him. Now, let us read the rhyme. Rhyme number 2, Knock at the Door. Ring the bell, knock at the door, peep in, pull the latch and walk in. Take a chair, sit down there. Good morning, Mr. Teddy Bear. Students, what is this? Yes, this is a bell. What sound does the bell make, students? Yes, the bell makes ding-dong sound. So, in the poem, let's see. Ring the bell. The bell rings. Knock at the door. Knock means to hit something hard so that it produces a sound. Peep in. Peep in means to look at something secretly so that no one sees you. Pull the latch. Now what is a latch, students? Can you see this door? Yes. So the lock of this door is called the latch, and when you pull the latch, the door opens. Take a chair, sit down there. Now the poet is telling to take a chair. Can you see the chair, students? Yes. So the guest will sit on the chair, and then the poet is greeting, good morning, Mr. Teddy Bear. So the person who visited the poet was Mr. Teddy Bear. Now, students, I am going to recite the rhyme with actions. Shall I begin, students? Yes. Ring the bell, knock at the door, peep in, pull the latch and walk in. Take a chair, sit down there. Good morning, Mr. Teddy Bear. Now, students, all of you stand up and recite the rhyme along with me with actions. Are you all ready, students? Yes. Shall we begin? Ring the bell, knock at the door, peep in, pull the latch and walk in. Take a chair, sit down there. Good morning, Mr. Teddy Bear. Students, we are going to recite the rhyme once more. So let's begin. Ring the bell, knock at the door, peep in, pull the latch and walk in. Take a chair, sit down there. Good morning, Mr. Teddy Bear. So students, what did we study today? Yes, we studied rhyme number 2, Knock at the Door, from the recitation book Rhythm for All Seasons, Book 1. What did you learn from the poem, students? Yes, we learnt that when any person, suppose our guest, come to our place, we should welcome the person. Then we should allow the person to sit. We should greet the person, isn't it, students? If it's morning time, you can wish good morning. If it's afternoon, you can say good afternoon. If it's evening time, then you can say good evening. Isn't it, students? Yes. Then you can make the person comfortable. And students, remember one thing. When you invite any person to your house, make sure that your house is neat and clean. This is a manner for welcoming your guest, isn't it, students? Now, what you have to do is, you have to learn rhyme number 2, Knock at the Door, and recite it properly with actions. I hope, students, you have enjoyed today's class. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.